It's time for science.
Oh yeah. Yes.
What do you guys think? How many pencils do you think you could stick through without?
All of them. All of them.
All right.
So do we have to like be really careful?
Go ahead.
We're gonna start now. Okay.
Straight through.
I'm scared if it gets on me.
All right, try. Go straight through.
No.
Push it all the way through. There you go.
Yeah, guys.
And there you go. All the way. There you go. Keep going.
I feel like you
Make sure you push the pencil through in one movement. If you take the pencil out while you're going through the bag, it will leak. All right. So how many do we have?
1, 2, 3.
Go all the way. Boom.
Boom. Can we take them all out?
But why didn't the water leak out of the bag? The bag is made up of long molecules called polymers, almost like super small invisible pieces of cooked spaghetti. When you drive the pencil through the bag, the long molecules part around the pencil. But the pressure of the water trying to get out of the bag pushes the molecules back against the pencil. And this stops the water from getting out. Y'all want to take it out?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more science content.